Are you ready? Okay. So if you are looking for a Thai language tutor, so I am here to help you. Okay. Right. Learning Thai is fun. And the second thing, enjoy it very much. Okay. And you will excel. Remember, learning Thai can change your life. It's true. You will see it. Many people get it. Okay. You start learning, and then you will know. Okay. Try, and you will see the progress you have made. Okay. I am here to help you. Okay. If you want to learn on Skype, I can help you. If you want to learn face to face in Manchester, I can help you. Start now. Okay. You will enjoy it very much. You will never know if you don't try. Right. Call me, please. I will help you. Okay? I can start for you right now. Okay? See you. Thank you. Bye.